John Questo is a person. He always answers questions and wonders what's going on. John Questo is a person. He has a lot of friends. John Questo is a person. He is busy all day. John Questo. John Questo. John Questo. John Questo. An agitating noise.
Well, good morning. Good afternoon.
Hi.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm great. I'm great.
Yeah. I'm just catching a little snack here. I get hungry in the middle of the day, and
I know.
It's lunchtime.
What are you eating?
I'm having yogurt.
Oh, okay.
It's really good.
Well, good afternoon, y'all.
Hey, John. How you doing, John Questo?
Great. So,
What have you been up to?
remember the get-together for tonight?
Yeah.
Great. It starts at 6:30.
That's why I'm having a very light lunch.
Oh,
So I have.
It's past 3 o'clock. We've got to get ready. But anyway, all right. The biscuits are good. Flaky. I love it.
We got the tea mix up there.
Why do we have body lotion in here?
I don't know.
We got the peas in the pod.
I'm excited about tonight, aren't you?
Yeah. It sounds pretty
Wait,
good.
what's that noise?
What was that?
What's that?
What was that noise? Do you know what that noise was?
My goodness gracious, what's that noise?
You got something running?
Might be the refrigerator. I don't know.
You Nelda's nose?
Is your nose running? What is that noise?
I don't know.
We've really got to figure out what noise that is. Hey, this looks like a job for John Questo.
Oh,
Let's figure it out here.
We gotta do this right. Here we go.
So, how should we find out what that noise is?
Let's put our heads together.
Let's
Yep.
put our noisy heads together.
Okay. Oh my.
Well, all we have to do is sit and listen for the noise. Keep listening, because it could hear. It could play again. Noises are so mysterious. They could be very...
That is good.
You figured it out?
Oh, that's the most strangest sound ever.
What's that noise? We don't know what it is, Sally.
But we're still trying to figure it out.
It's good to see you, by the way.
Well, I hope you figure out the sound.
Thank you, Sally.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Anyway, I'm gonna look all over the kitchen and all over the apartment. Hey, you look too.
Oh, okay. I put this down. All right. You hang here, okay? I'll be back. I'm gonna look.
Okay.
Let's listen for that thing.
Where is that noise coming from? Do you know where it's coming from?
No.
It's like it's all over the apartments.
Yeah, but it's centered. It's somewhere in here, though. I hear.
We walked everywhere and we couldn't find out where the noise was coming from.
Couldn't find a thing.
They look at me. She looked off. Oh, I don't know how to help him. He talked to me. I sat right here and I didn't hear a thing or see a thing. So I don't know what.
We're the most boring people in the world, aren't we?
Did you see that?
Well, that's not the noise. It's like a whistling noise. Wait a minute. Isn't it windy today?
Yes, it is.
The window's open.
Up.
Oh, we found the noise.
Peace and quiet.
Finally, we found the noise.
Peace and quiet.
It was an agitating noise.
It was.
Coming in from outside, wasn't it?
Anyway, it's past 3 o'clock. We gotta get started cooking. Alright, let's start cooking!
Oh!
Alright, do we have the batter? Do we have all, like, the ingredients for everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the pan too.
I got this.